In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install QuickBooks Desktop from the correct download page. By the end, you'll have the installer downloaded, the program installed, and your software activated, all using the official Intuit site so you can avoid incorrect files or outdated installers. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official QuickBooks Desktop Downloads page. This is the page provided by Intuit, specifically for downloading installers and updates. Make sure you're on the legitimate site so you get the right, safe installer. If your browser asks where to save downloads, pick a folder you can easily find later, like your Downloads folder. On the page, look for the section labeled Search and Download Your QuickBooks Versions. First, click Select Country and choose the country that matches your license. This matters because features, tax settings, and activation can differ by region, and choosing the wrong country can cause activation issues later. Next, click Select Product and choose your QuickBooks Desktop Edition, Pro, Premier, or Enterprise. Pick the one you actually own. After that, click Select Version and choose the year of your product. Your license and product number are tied to a specific year, so make sure the year here matches what you purchased. Click Search. You'll see results for the selection you just made. In the results, click Download next to your exact version. The installer file can be large, so give it time to download fully. Don't close the browser until it completes, and take note of where the file is saved. Once the download finishes, open the installer file. If your system shows a user account control prompt, click Yes to allow the installer to make changes. Then follow the on-screen instructions. Accept the license agreement, and when you're given setup options, most single-computer users can choose the recommended or express install. If you're setting up for a shared company file or a custom location, the custom and network options are available, but stick with the defaults if you're unsure. When installation completes, open QuickBooks Desktop. On first launch, you'll be prompted to activate. Enter your license and product number exactly as they appear in your purchase confirmation or on your original packaging. Make sure you're connected to the internet so activation completes smoothly. Once activated, you're ready to sign into your company file or create a new one. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.